During my Asia trip, I went on an international short-haul flight from Vladivostok to Seoul. I've chosen S7 Airlines, which is Russia's third biggest airline after Aeroflot and Россия. The flight took approximately 2 hours and 15 minutes and was operated by one of S7's brand new Airbus A320neo aircrafts, which at this certain time was just 4 months in service. The airline currently operates the biggest Airbus A320neo fleets in all of the post-Soviet countries. Aboard the aircraft, S7 offered 2 classes, business and economy. The cabin was clean, the seats were very comfortable, and the legroom was very good. I had nothing to complain about, which was not surprising, considering the low age of the aircraft. S7 Airlines left me with some very good first impressions. S7 Airlines provides a very good onboard service. Nowadays, airlines rarely serve complimentary meals on short-haul flights. S7 offered a small snack bar to every passenger. You could choose from a huge selection of beverages. The seat had some really nice features, like the extra phone and tablet holder. S7 offers an in-flight entertainment app, which should be downloaded prior to your flight. In my seat pocket, I could find a safety card, an in-flight magazine, and an air sickness bag. All in all, I was pleasantly impressed by the good product S7 offered to me. I really enjoyed the tablet and phone holder feature of the seats. In my opinion, it should be introduced to more airlines. I also enjoyed the food service. The flight attendants were really nice and spoke Russian and good English. S7 is probably my favorite Russian airline because of all the nice extras and the very modern approach of the company. I was really satisfied with my experience and would totally recommend S7 Siberian Airlines for international travel.